Are you currently exploring an animal species that brings high profits when invested in? In today's video, we'll delve into a unique amphibian, an animal species that few people think about in terms of business and farming: the frog. In vast rural areas, the sound of frog farming has become an integral part of the countryside landscape, and behind the expansive meadows lies a story of success and profit from raising this animal species. In the heart of the Asian continent, frog farming and processing have become a unique industry with millions of frogs produced each year. This industry not only plays a crucial role in the economy and livelihoods of many Asian countries, but also maintains the long-standing tradition of using frogs in cuisine. Vietnam, despite being a small country, is famous for exporting frogs worldwide. With its natural conditions and rich agricultural background, frog farming has become a stable source of income for many rural families. The combination of modern farming techniques and preservation of traditional culinary culture has helped this industry develop sustainably. Can you believe that you can start a successful frog farming business with just 2 million Vietnamese dong, equivalent to about $90? The frog farming industry provides diverse and nutritious food sources for consumers and creates many job opportunities for rural communities. From caring for and nurturing to harvesting and processing, the frog farming industry contributes to a diverse and sustainable agricultural production network. Let's dive deeper into the nurturing process of these fascinating creatures. On the tranquil lands of the farm, the reproduction and development process of frogs undergoes miraculous transformations after hormone injections. Starting from careful choices by farmers, this process has created a new cycle of life where the power of science and nature intertwines. Upon hormone injection, male frogs become more active, calling out to their partners. It's a sign of readiness, of excitement for a new reproductive period, after which they are released into specially prepared ponds for mating and egg-laying. When female frogs are stimulated, they approach male frogs and mate with the male frog embracing the female frog from behind. In this position, the male frog releases sperm to fertilize the eggs. After many nights filled with calls of love, female frogs lay eggs, but the quantity of eggs produced after hormone injection is often greater and more diverse. This creates a greater opportunity for the development of tadpoles as they begin to form from warm eggs. Female frogs typically take 1 to 3 weeks for the frog eggs to hatch into tadpoles. Tadpoles live in water and have gills to breathe underwater. Under the morning sun, the tadpole's development process is a miraculous display of vitality. From tiny eggs, tadpoles begin their journey, progressing vigorously and miraculously through stages of development. As tadpoles hatch, they slowly crawl out of the eggshell, exploring the world around them with tiny, curious eyes. They begin to hunt small prey, swallowing each small parasite and insect to provide energy for their dive. Gradually, the tadpole's body begins to develop, part by part, like a painting drawn from delicate strokes to more balanced shapes. They grow stronger each day, becoming more agile and adept at hunting and surviving in their natural environment. As frog tadpoles develop, they undergo a metamorphosis, transitioning from larval to adult forms and developing limbs. Their tails retract, and their bodies change shape to become more frog-like. After completing the metamorphosis process, tadpoles have transformed into young frogs, also known as froglets. Finally, after an exciting period, tadpoles undergo a transformation process into mature frogs, leaving the tadpole stage to begin a new life on land. Their development is evidence of the power and wonder of nature, bringing life and diversity to the ecosystem. Frog farmers understand that providing appropriate food is key to ensuring the health and development of their frogs. Frog feed typically includes a range of options, from natural insects and parasites to industrially produced complete foods. Dietary diversity ensures that frogs receive enough protein, vitamins, and minerals for comprehensive development. Additionally, the use of foods like grass and herbs may be considered, especially for early developmental stages of frogs. Depending on specific conditions and breeding purposes, farmers will adjust feeding regimes to ensure that frogs are well cared for and develop as strongly as possible. With experience and meticulous care, frog farmers' harvesting process is not just a job, but also an art. From selecting the right harvest time to handling and preserving the products, each step is carried out carefully and purposefully. Harvesting frogs requires patience and skill, from selecting frogs that have reached ideal weight and size to transportation and preservation of the final product. With high economic value and stable market demand, this process not only brings significant profits to farmers, but also provides stable income in the long run. Thus, frog farming is not just a means of livelihood, but also an opportunity for development and prosperity in agriculture. The frog processing process at the factory is a meticulous and thorough process, where each step is carried out with care and professionalism. At the factory, experienced experts and workers will perform processing steps to ensure the final product achieves the highest quality. First, experts will select fresh and healthy frogs, which will then be thoroughly cleaned to remove any impurities. Next, the meat extraction process will be carried out meticulously, from cutting and gutting to carefully separating the muscle and skin. After obtaining clean frog meat, it will be processed according to special recipes to create delicious and enticing dishes. Workers will use cooking techniques and appropriate seasonings to bring out the characteristic flavor of each product. Finally, after processing, the products will be carefully quality checked before packaging and preparation for distribution. All of these steps are carried out with the goal of ensuring that the final product is the best and meets customer expectations. Delicious dishes from frogs not only satisfy the taste buds, but also enchant people with creativity and uniqueness in cuisine. From delicately processed frog meat, we can enjoy unique and enticing dishes. Savoring a bowl of sour soup with frog, you will experience a sweet and sour taste, spiciness from caramel, tamarind, chili, and the aroma of coriander, refreshing mint leaves. Each sip of sour soup is a colorful journey of Southern cuisine, unforgettable. For those who love bold flavors, stir-fried frog with lemongrass and chili, or braised frog with pepper, is an irresistible choice. The chewy, spicy frog meat, combined with the aroma of lemongrass, garlic, onions, and lime leaves, creates a rich, enticing dish that is mouth-watering. And if you want to enjoy a rich, fragrant taste, then grilled frog with fat and onions is the perfect choice. Seasoned frog meat, grilled golden brown, along with fragrant fat, creates a delicious, stimulating dish for your taste buds. Do you know any other delicious dishes from frogs? Comment below for me to know. Delicious dishes from frogs not only satisfy the taste buds, but also captivate the heart with creativity and uniqueness in cuisine. Rest assured, each piece of frog meat will bring you an unforgettable culinary experience. Sincerely, thank you for joining us on the wonderful journey at Sun Farm today. We hope you found it enjoyable and gained some valuable insights from this experience. Feel free to share your stories or thoughts below. We'd love to hear and support you. If you found this video interesting, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Your support is a great motivation for us to produce more quality content. Lastly, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click the subscribe button to stay tuned for future videos. We're committed to providing practical information, tips, and real farming experiences to help you. See you in the next video. Stay safe and keep supporting us. Goodbye and thank you for being with us.